Hello and welcome to today's video on the benefits of commercial real estate property in Indore market. So friends, if you are looking out for investing in the commercial real estate property and looking for a higher rental yields, then commercial real estate is the answer to all your queries. Firstly, the kind of the rental yields one can expect out of a commercial real estate property in Indore market is somewhere in the tune of 4 to 6%. If someone is also looking for a higher rental yields, then the option available is he can opt to go for a furnished commercial real estate option. The second benefit of investing in a commercial real estate property is the ease of dealing with the tenants. Mostly these are the corporates and they have the certain SOPs, so it's much easier for any owner to deal with the tenants as compared to a residential real estate rentals. The third benefit of investing in a commercial real estate property is the hassle-free rental yields. Since these are the corporates, so you don't have to chase the tenant for a monthly deposit of your rentals. Since the SOPs are set in, it's only the one-time affair which is mostly in the initial period, and then month-on-month basis you get the rentals in your bank account without any hassle. The fourth and the most important benefit of a commercial real estate investment is basically the long-term commitment. Now, most of the corporates doesn't look out for a smaller period of leasing of a property. Unlike in a residential real estate where the lease periods generally go from 11 months to maximum of 2 years. Compared to that, in commercial real estate, the tenures generally scale from 9 to 25 years with depending upon the size of the corporate. So these are few benefits of investing in commercial real estate market. Thank you.